Hello friends, today in this video I'll show you how to change the sleep setting on your Windows 11. So for example, if you want to turn off the screen after a certain time, not after 1 minute or 2 minutes, then this video is for you. So for that, go to the search button and write for sleep, and there is an option called power sleep. So open that, click on the screen sleep and hibernate timeouts. Then here you can see two options. The one is plugged in, another one is on battery. So here, if your laptop is plugged in, then you can change this setting plugged in the charger. If your laptop is on battery, then you can change from here. So in my case, I just put both for 2 hours because I don't want my laptop screen goes off if I'm away from the laptop because I might be putting video or something. So you can change the time setting from here. Similarly for the battery case as well. And then once you change it, it should be all good. So I hope you know now how to change the sleep setting in your laptop. And thank you for watching the video. I will see you in another video.